Hello everyone, welcome to the top-end product launch. By the end of 2023, the global increase in solar installations was about 162 gigawatts. Some solar customers will use residential batteries to increase their solar self-consumption that also help to reduce the overall power price volatility. However, in the European and the US markets, only 20% of new home solar systems have batteries attached. This means that there are still hundreds of homes generating solar power without storage, making it unusable on cloudy or rainy nights. The main point that closing the solar storage gap is our battery. Battery is the key to energy freedom. Our top band has been working on residential energy storage solutions. During the day, when the sunlight is sufficient, the solar charges the battery and power the household load. At night, and in the other peak time, the battery storage system will balance the feeding and the demands to realize your grid independence. With the global energy issues and extreme weather events becoming more prominent, some large families have higher power demands due to the facilities such as swimming pools, heating devices. Additionally, many countries have moved their industries to the third world countries, like South Africa, where the electricity shortages and the power outages are frequent. Energy independence is wide for families and small business, including farms, hotels, supermarkets, and other such scenarios. And in such scenarios, the demand for stable power is highly urgent. That's why we have developed several innovations to address energy challenges and packed them into a consumer-first series of energy products. And today, it's time to present the RS Racket High Voltage series to the world. Comparing to the traditional home storage batteries and the industrial and commercial products, what are the advantages of our RH series? Firstly, our products are suitable for the high power demand households, and they could meet all the small industrial and commercial power demands. In terms of installation location, the RH series can be installed not only in an enclosed environment in a house, but also in more narrow spaces in urban cities, like high-rise factory buildings. More specifically, a single RH battery can be matched with a hybrid inverter up to 50 kilowatts. Traditional residential energy storage systems have a single battery capacity of 5 to 20 kilowatts per hour and matched inverters up to 16 kilowatts. Although it can be expanded through a parallel solution, the overall system efficiency and the reliability are lower. In addition, both the installation and the system expenses will be higher than our high voltage rack solution. Well, traditional commercial and industry storage products are designed for higher power output, but require complex installation process involving professional teams and large-scale equipment. In contrast, our high-voltage rack system offers the same capacity with easier installation and lower overall costs. Overall, the high-voltage rack series is suitable for all residential, small industrial, and commercial energy applications, providing an efficiency, reliable, and cost-effective solution. Now, let's zoom out for the product itself. There are 6 major advantages of RH series. safety reliable, intelligent BMS, maximum ROI, flexible configuration, and easy, convenient. And the last one, eco-friendly. When it comes to the battery products, the first priority is selecting the cells. The cell is a core component of a battery, affecting the product's life cycles, capacity, and safety. Additionally, cells are the most expensive material, accounting for about 16 to 70% of the total product cost. The RS series features self-development 100 Ah lithium iron phosphate standard material modules. To ensure high consistency, we have set a higher metal requirement with a tolerance below 1 mV. Another important factor for the battery is safety. RH series are designed to comply with multiple international standards, and they have passed a series of rigorous tests and still perform well. In this way, our product is so safe and reliable. Now, let's talk about the product extreme intelligence. We adopt a two-level BMS structure with first control BMU in every battery module and the second BCU in high voltage box. The BMU collects information and monitors the status of each cell. BCU oversees all BMUs, responding to any anomalies and communicating with the hybrid inverter to ensure system operation. Our BMS systems monitor more than 100 status and collect their information and providing precaution and protection function for more than 18 scenarios in 24/7. In any emergency, it can be cut off power within 10 milliseconds to ensure product safety. We also provide the APP function. The entire energy storage system works with the Toolbar app, managing all your energy in one location. From homepage, see current household energy usage and data refreshed in real time. You can also summarize the data by time to find total battery power usage data, calculate it, and over several time periods, including days, weekends, months, and years. It's data the way you want to see it, complete customization to your preferences. You will see how much money you have saved, along with your personal reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. You can truly experience smart energy management. RH series integrates an energy management system, battery module, and a high voltage box. Every battery module has a low 51.2 volt battery architecture, utilizing series connections of battery pads to meet varying capacity and high voltage requirements. This architecture allows each package to withstand higher voltage while reducing current, resulting in higher energy efficiency. As a result, users no longer need to invest in excessive power they won't use. Cycle life is crucial for batteries, and the RH battery exceeds 6,000 cycles on the 0.25 rate, charge and discharge conditions at 25 degrees, with a design life of 15 years, significantly superior to similar products. We have designed our product to work in extreme temperature. Normally, ESS phosphate batteries can charge below freezing and suffer from power degradation when it gets hot outside. RH series maintain 100% power discharge from minus 20 degrees to 16 degrees. We have also provided an heating function optional, which adds a built-in thermal module inside the battery to help charge in cold temperatures as low as minus 10 degrees. When the temperature goes below freezing, solar module automatically activates and keeps the battery operating as normal. No matter the temperature, your quality of life stays the same. After ongoing 16 overall standard tests, including communication accuracy test, electrical structure and software test, capacity function test, as well as inverter dimension test, the high voltage rack products still have excellent quality, and we try our best to improve product performance. In terms of our capacity, each battery module is equipped with a 5 kWh battery pack. Each rack supports 3 to 12 units in series connection. If you need more power, you can add multiple power modules and set up a parallel system. Maxed out, you could reach a capacity of 491 kWh. Well, we also designed products with a wide capability, including SAJ, Solis, SOFAR, and other mainstream hybrid inverters. Today, we're proud to introduce RSRH series for the extreme. The products are both applied for the EU and the US standard, mainly in black and white colors, supporting other colors customized, and we also provide an extended screens optional. Next, let's watch a video to experience the easy installation of our RH series. Retrofitting a set of RH batteries takes only 30 minutes. In conclusion, a powerful, customized, high-voltage battery solution is now available for the world. If you want to get more details, please come to our website and contact us. Thank you, guys.